Hey everyone! In this video, we'll see how to set up the Yes Bank integration in Zoho Books and learn how it works. Zoho Books has now partnered with Yes Bank to facilitate quicker vendor payments and easy reconciliation. You can make instant payments to your vendors through IMPS, NEFT, RTGS, and funds transfer within Yes Bank. Fetch your statements into Zoho Books automatically. Reconcile your transactions instantly. Check your bank account balance real-time and more. Please note, this integration is available only for the Indian edition of Zoho Books. You can only integrate your Yes Bank current account, and you should have registered your current account for API banking with Yes Bank. If you need any assistance with this process, you can write to yesbank-support@zohofinance.com with your contact details and we'll assist you. Now let's set up the integration. Log into your Zoho Books organization, then click Settings and click Online Payments. Go to the Vendor Payments tab. This page lists all the banks that Zoho Books is integrated with. Click the Setup Now button under Yes Bank. Enter the customer ID of your current account. Once you've registered your Yes Bank current account for API banking, you'll receive a password. This password will be shared with you in two parts, one half by SMS and the other half by email. Please note, if you have enabled DND, then both parts of the password will be sent to your registered email address. Also, if your current account has two admins, then Yes Bank will send one half of the password to each admin. Enter the first half and the second half of the password. Now, you can set a 6-digit PIN and add another layer of security to the payments that you initiate from Zoho Books. Please note, Yes Bank will not provide this PIN. This is a secret PIN that you set to authorize payments from Zoho Books. Choose your Yes Bank account that you wish to integrate. The bank accounts that you had created in the banking module in Zoho Books will be listed. You can either choose from the list or add a new account. Make sure that the correct account number is associated with this account. Kindly go through the terms and conditions and then accept it. Please note, this is a user-level integration. So only the user who sets up this integration can initiate payments from Zoho Books. Then click Setup Now. You have successfully integrated your Yes Bank current account with Zoho Books. The status of your account will be displayed here. Now, let's see how to pay your vendors. The first step in making vendor payments is to add your vendors' bank accounts in Zoho Books. Click Purchases and click Vendors. Select a vendor. Click More and click Add Bank Account from the drop-down. Enter the account number. Re-enter the account number. Enter the IFSC code. Then click Save. You have successfully added your vendor's bank account details. Now let's pay for a bill. Please note, in order to initiate payments from Zoho Books, you have to enable two-factor authentication in your Zoho account. You can check the link given in the description below for more details on the same. Click Bills. Let's select a bill which was created for ABC Enterprise. You can find the Pay via Yes Bank button here. Click that. In the box, enter the amount that you wish to pay now. You can see the balance due for this bill here. Then, choose the From account, that is, the account from which you'd like to make the payment. You can see the account number and account balance. The bank accounts that you added to this vendor will be listed. You can select the account to which you wish to transfer the amount. Choose the transaction type. You can make IMPS, NEFT, RTGS, and funds transfer within Yes Bank through this integration. You can add a payment description if you wish. Then click Proceed. Enter the secret PIN that you had configured while setting up the integration and click Initiate Payment. As you can see, the status of the bill has changed to paid. If you click the Payments tab here, you can see the payment details. The payment status will be uncleared until the money is deposited in your vendor's bank account, after which it will change to cleared. If you have multiple open bills from a vendor, you can pay all of them in bulk. Let's see how to do that. Go to Payments Made. Click the plus new button on the top right corner. Make sure you're recording a bill payment. Choose a vendor. Once you choose the vendor, the open bills are listed. Then mark the box Initiate Payment via Yes Bank. The total amount is displayed here. If you wish to pay the full amount, you can mark this box. If not, then enter the amount that you wish to pay. In this video, we'll pay the full amount. Then choose the From account and the To account. Choose the transaction type. If you're not paying the full amount, then enter the amount breakup against each of the bills. Please note, if you do not enter the amount breakup against the corresponding bills, then the payment will be recorded as an advance payment. Then click Initiate Payment. Enter the 6-digit secret PIN and click Initiate Payment again. Similarly, you can also make advance payments to your vendors. Click Plus New. Then click Vendor Advance. The Vendor Advance tab will be visible only if you have enabled GST in your Zoho Books organization. Now we saw how to set up the integration and initiate payments from Zoho Books. But the integration does not stop with that. As mentioned in the beginning, you can also fetch your Yes Bank feeds into Zoho Books for reconciliation. Let's see how to do that. Go to Settings and click Online Payments. Go to the Vendor Payments tab. Under Yes Bank, you'll see the Add Account for Bank Statement button. Click that. Choose the bank account and select the date from which you wish to fetch the statements in Zoho Books. Then click Add. This bank will be listed in the Banking module. Return to the dashboard and click Banking. You can see Yes Bank listed here. Alternately, you can also add your bank account for fetching direct feeds from this tab. The green symbol here indicates that your feeds are active, that is, your bank statements are being fetched into Zoho Books. The transactions fetched from your bank account will be listed under the Uncategorized Transactions tab, and you can match them with the corresponding transactions in Zoho Books. Let's match a transaction now. Once you select a transaction, Zoho Books will populate the possible matches here based on the amount and the date. You can also filter the transactions further. If you haven't created the transactions in Zoho Books, you can categorize it manually. In this video, we have recorded the transactions in Zoho Books, so we'll match the feed with the transaction. If you wish to check your account balance, you can click the Check Account Balance button. You can also disable the integration anytime you wish. Go to Settings, click Online Payments, click Disable under Yes Bank. Then you can click this button. If you're not sure about disabling your integration and you're facing any issues, you can click Contact Support and our support representatives will help you out. So we saw how to set up this integration, how to initiate payments from Zoho Books, and also how to fetch the bank statement and reconcile them with your transactions in Zoho Books. If you have any queries, please write to yesbank-support@zohofinance.com. We're happy to help. Thank you.